There have been amazing reviews about the Virgin Hair Fertilizer. It is known to actually grow your hair over the years. Like, so many people have given testimonies. I remember posting a poll on TikTok asking people if they've used this product, and most people, majority, testified that this product has actually worked for them over the years. So in this video, I'm just trying to do a little unboxing, and I will show you how you can use this Virgin Hair Fertilizer to grow out your edges, so you don't want to miss it. So first off, this is how the pack look like. Then you will see the tube right inside. So this is how the tube of this product looks like, right, with the write-up and everything. And the product promises to grow your hair and condition your hair, and it also promises to provide your scalp with anti-dandruff properties. So that's the expiration date that I was just showing you. On my particular product I bought, it is showing that it will expire in the next 5 years from the production date. Moving on, the cream is actually yellow in color, as you can see in this video. I'm just trying to do an up close look for you guys. So this is how it is looking. If yours is looking different, then you might want to reconsider checking on other products or buying another product. So this is how it comes, and one thing I like about it is it melts easily. As you can see, it is melting into my palm. It has this greasy look and this shiny look. So once you apply it to your hair, it will actually make your hair to be conditioned and also to shine out because of the greasy effect. So this is how I apply it on my scalp. After rubbing it in my palm, I will just massage it around my edges, as you can see me do. I would massage the product in, then I will give my edges a good massage in a circular motion, as you see me do in this video. So once the product is melted into your hair, you can style as desired. Moving on, this is another method at which you can apply it on your edges for maximum growth. So you take a desired amount and you just apply it on your edges, as you see me do in this video. Just like this. This is how you apply it. You put it directly around the affected part of your hair. If it's your edges that's actually receding, you can apply the product like this and massage it in. Whatever you do, always ensure that you massage the product in. This way it would prefer better absorption of the product, and in turn it will go into your scalp to do the job. Don't just leave it to sit around your edges or sit on your hair without a proper massage. So this is just me extending the hand of fellowship to the hair, and yeah, voila, this is it. You get like more of the product. Rub it in your palm as per usual, then I apply directly on my scalp. Can you see? So this is how you can also use it to grow your hair in general. Apply directly on your scalp and give yourself a good massage. So you extend the hand of fellowship to the tip of your hair, as you see me do. Don't just focus solely on your scalp, also extend it to the tip of your hair to ensure that your hair follicles are strengthened. So voila, this is how my afro is looking. It's looking all bouncy, all full, all put together. It actually gives this product a trial. A trial will convince you. This is how it looks like. You can get it in your supermarket or your mall close to you, or any store close to you. So yeah, I'm just trying to get the perfect thumbnail for this video. So that is why you see me posing with the product like this, and I think this will actually do it, or maybe not, or maybe this, I don't know. Anyway, this is how the pack and the product itself look like. You can get it and give it a try. I'll see you in my next. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.